vibe, yeah. It's family time, yeah. Life as Felicia Michelle, we kicking every time, yeah. We cooking it up, we running it up, we clean it up. But most important, we going up, and we never get stuck, yeah.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Felicia. Welcome back to a video. Today I'm doing an unboxing video for Temu. It's my first time ordering through Temu. At first, I'm gonna be honest, when I saw the ads and stuff going on social media sites, I thought it was like a scam at first, but it's legit. So let me show you what I got for my first Temu order. And by the way, your girl is not sponsored, so this is a legit review. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, these are my girls. They sitting right here, Adriel and Audrey. Their birthday is March 17th. They St. Patrick's Day babies, and I got them what they wanted, which is a backpack purse, but a birthday gift. So go ahead and open it, girl, so you can show the people what you got. In front of the camera, please. She got this cute brown, I think it's called Bebo, or Bebo, girl. I don't know, I'm saying it wrong, but it's spelled B-E-I-B-A-O, girl. But got the little bears on it and stuff like that, the little details. It's so freaking cute. It's sturdy, heavy duty, and it's not, you know, flimsy. It has different compartments. Let's open it up on the inside. Put stuff in the front of it. I guess, well, you ain't got a phone yet, but you could put, well, you might lose your phone right there, so I won't put my phone right there, but you could put some tissue or whatever. Cute compartments on the inside. You can put your phone right here. It has a zipper compartment. You can put cash right here, whatever you want to put, little compartments you can put in there, or pads, you know, girl things. It's a lot of compartments in here, so it's definitely a good backpack for, like, I think I paid like $30. The original price was $50-some, I believe. It's very, very cheap. I got this color, brown, and the other twin got this color, white. When I said this white is pretty as well, the inside is gorgeous as well. Different compartments and heavy duty, sturdy, cute little backpack.
Look at the sides.
Yes, the details on the side is beautiful as well. Also, this backpack has a secret zipper on the back, so I would definitely put my phone on that or money in there and zip it up, because can't nobody get to it once you put it on your backpack. But that's cute. Let's see it, girl. Put on your backpack. Let's see how cute it looks. Give the people the details. Turn around, give it spin, 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 spin. Let me stop. It's cute. On to the next. Your girl loves ice, so I definitely got me an ice tray. I seen this on TikTok. They have the cute little circle ices. I said, let me buy one. It was like $1 or something. So I said, let me get one of these. Okay, I got 2 trays. It's different prices. Y'all gotta look online. Got me a set of these. This was $1.99, I believe, of dish sponges. Your girl got another water bottle, which is the smaller version than what I got, because I have a bigger one. But this is a smaller version. I can be able to take this to work. It's purple and bluish. I love the colors on here. And it says to save it 7 a.m. rise and shine, 9 a.m. let's get started, all the way to 9 p.m. all in a day's work. This like keep track on your water, get your water intake, and it's like up to 64 ounces of water. So cute. Now they have different kinds of binders and stuff on Temu that you can do for a saving. This one comes with stickers on there. It says income, dining out, put back money for a saving for as transportation, gifts, birthdays, rent, utilities. You know, you can make it a bill. You know, put all your money that's throughout the month. You can use it for clothing, Christmas gifts and stuff like that. I got this in this color, and it comes with different cards put in the side, and you can tally up how much money in each pouch. But I think this is so freaking cute. I can't wait to get started, to start saving money and putting back money, just to save, just to have. It has little slots on the side you can put down in there as well. And this binder overall is cute, okay, and it's gorgeous. Look at that gold, okay? It looks exactly like the picture on the website. Next, we have 2 of these mop heads that goes with my mop. Of course, your girl went overboard. This is like a scraper for your dishes. You know how the bottom of your pan be black? You just scrape it. I'm gonna test this out in one of my cleaning videos. Just test it out. and see how it is. But this brings it back new, okay? So this one of them brushes I got for the cheapest. Well, you know, and Temu, I just went crazy. And I have this caddy that you put on by your sink to put your sponges in, your soap, whatever you want to put in there, you know, to hang on the sink. You know your girl is into coffees and stuff like that, so I bought this throffer, whatever how you say it, baby, you know, you throff it, okay? Y'all, I bet y'all laughing at me the way I'm pronouncing these things, but I got one of these from Temu, my little throffer. Can't even say it right, but yeah, I got it in pink. Seen $1 on this thing, and I thought, oh, it's a mini iron. Cause on there, it shows a lady's hands in there. It's a iron mitt or whatever that you can use for the steamer. I thought a steamer would come with this. So I said, oh, it's for $1.99 with the steamer? A little small mini handheld steamer? Yeah, I didn't read the description until afterwards, so I got this for nothing. I don't even have a steamer, okay? Yeah. I bought this cheap bath mat. It has like a foam in between. You know, when you get out the shower, it's a mesh. The water will suck into it or whatever. I got one of these for one of the bathrooms. I'm thinking I'm gonna put this in my bathroom, but it's color gray. That's what I got. Okay, so I thought I was supposed to be having a picture frame with these already made. So I guess I'm about to buy a frame to put this in for each and every one of them so I can hang on my wall. But this says family, a little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love. I got this for as clothing at Temu. I got this cute, it was on a good sale, cute pajama, love pajama sale. I guess they had this for Valentine's Day, so I got it for cheaper price, but cute pink. I hope I can fit it, but I like it. I also got this 2-piece set, the shirt and the shorts that says pink on the top and the pink at the bottom. But yes, that's what I got for that. And I also got this cute dark green, like an army green sundress. It says face down the middle, and it's a long sundress. All right, y'all, this is the end of my Temu haul, okay? The total of everything that I purchased was $75.22, and I have a $25 savings coupons, so I only spent about $54.96. So what I like about Temu is that you get a chance to win free gifts, and I want a free gift. You will see that in the next vlog. I have another unboxing Temu vlog, and like I said, it's starting to get addicted to me because they got a lot of cheap items on there for us. Everything that me and my girls use. Even my son's been ordering on Temu as well on his phone. It's like every time you turn around, it's a Temu package at the door, okay? But I need to stop and take control of that because they're not gonna get all my money. But it's some good prices for some good things that I use on the everyday use, like those mop heads, honey, are very, very thicker than the one that you buy at the store for $9, and you get those for cheap on Temu. And I'm about to go online to order me some more. I had used it today and it works so well. It's so thick, it gets the job done, okay? So I'm gonna order me some more. And I like the fact you can order through packages or however you want, and it's cheaper on the Temu sites, okay? Definitely get the blue and white ones, all right? But anyway, like I said, they have good deals for as different coupons. You can save up to $50, $40. It depends how much you spend on Temu. Half of that stuff is 50% off. Most of the stuff is 30% off. You get good deals on Temu. And like I said, I'm not sponsored for this video. Now Temu, if you want to sponsor your girl, sponsor your girl. And I only spent about $54 on this order, okay? Okay? And you save on a lot. It's already discounted prices on the items that I brought. So I think that's a good reasonable price because I would have came out to spend about over $200 because those 2 backpacks alone is like $50 a piece original price. I'm just estimating, okay? So you do the math. $30 a piece of that of those backpacks. Now I have multiple orders through Temu, and I don't know the exact total amount for as everything together. I'm gonna calculate it out and I'll tell you in the next video. But baby, I've been ordering, but I also been saving as well, so it's a good deal. So if you're new to my channel, this is your girl Fifi, also known as Felicia Michelle. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new, if you like what you see. Join the LAFM family. We love to have you. Share your girl out on all social media sites. And follow your girl. You never know what I post, okay? Stay tuned for the next vlog. I see you when I see you. I see you when I see you. Peace. Okay?